Hey friends, today we're going to be making over this secondhand bar stool, and I have a second one as well that I'm making over as part of my kitchen renovation. So as you can see, this is all dirty and roughed up. I started by sanding off the finish of this stool, all the old finish and the dirt, and tried to clean it up as best I could. Then I use this stain from Varathane. It's the special walnut stain. Got this at Home Depot. I thought it was a nice color, as you'll see it as it goes on here. It's really rich and deep. As when you first put it on, you will see how dark and deep it can get, but it doesn't turn out this dark. It's just a couple shades lighter than this dark brown, which I really liked, and I thought it went well with my butcher block countertops. Once I've gotten all the stain on there, then I go back in with a paper towel and just wipe off all of the excess and just try to get it all the excess stain off and let it dry after that. I'm using this polyurethane spray from Varathane as well, just to coat the stain that I applied and protect it from wearing off and staining clothes if you sit on it. So I put several generous coats of the spray onto the chair and let it dry for about 4 hours, and then reapplied again another coat of the spray. Now you can see the finished product. I did complete both bar stools, and you can see the beautiful brown, deep, rich brown color that complements the butcher block, and it warms up the space very nicely. Okay, you guys, that's it for today. That is the completed video. I have already contacted the winners of the previous videos giveaway, and they are Laura G, Ann Washington, and Not Recorded. I hope you have a great day or night wherever you are, and I'll talk to you later.